just an end of what's been done, or a sign of things to come, and you wonder what's been eating you alive inside. switch back. It's too late to look back, ain't okay, I got no way to switch back.